Didn't film it?
I didn't understand what was happening.
What's up, guys? Welcome back
to another video.
Another Decades video. We are going to a meet. We just kind of cleaned the cars a little bit. They're looking pretty nice. So we're meeting up with a couple other guys who have some pretty sweet cars. You'll get to see those in just a minute when we meet up with them. And then we're gonna head to a meet in Surrey at Sky Zone. Should be a pretty good turnout. Hopefully there's some cool cars. Couple things as per usual. You know, these things are just a given with this car. First off, it's leaking. I'm a little bit wet already just because of the water that was left over from washing it. And also, I'm like deadly out of gas right now. You can see my gas gauge there. We are living on the edge, so I'm gonna have to stop and fill up. I don't know about the other guys. Anyway, I'll see you guys when we get to Lordco to meet up with the other guys. We just got to Lordco. We got the Hellcat and the Duster over there.
We got the Cobra.
And then we got Kyle's Cobra. You know, the Mustang, obviously. Yeah, we're gonna head to the meet. Fire it up. For the viewers. Yes! Yes! While all of us are just obnoxiously revving in the parking lot, we're running out of gas here quick. So we're gonna go fill up and then we're heading to the meet. Gas is $1.57 here, which is like the most expensive in North America. Just came up with this sweet mod. Got my gas cap in there, I'm holding it because we don't have the automatic nozzles anymore. That looks safe. Weirdly enough, I'm the only one filling up out of a group of like 5 muscle cars here. They all have bigger engines than me too, except for the Cobra. Crazy. Unfortunately, we got separated from the group. So it's just me and Mike in the Hellcat right now. We're pretty close. We're about 5 minutes away. Hopefully we'll see them there.
There's 3 spots.
Me and Mike got to the meet first. This is Mike, by the way. I don't know if Mike drives a Hellcat because he doesn't like to work on cars. He doesn't really do any work to it. No, I'm kidding. So Mike has a whole shop and he's got some sweet cars. You got a Dart, four-door Dart. He's got a Firebird just like mine. What year's yours? Yeah. So Mike's 88, pretty much the same year as mine. You guys will see a lot of him this summer, hopefully, because I'm gonna be calling him every time my car breaks down, and he'll come out, so you'll see him a lot. All right, they're here. They're late.
Ripping with you like so quick, and then I realized we were going 90 in a 50 zone, and I was like,
Should we do an outro, or what? You guys want an outro? Like, is it dark? Am I dark?
Oh, you're pretty bright.
Am I really close to that?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're using a different lens.
Like,
looking back,
That kind of wraps up the meet. It's getting dark. We don't really want to film anymore because it's gonna get grainy. It's gonna get ugly.
Dude, why didn't I film that shit?
Sounded loud.
I don't want to just.
You didn't film it?
I didn't understand what was happening.
He just sent the shot. He said, no, he just sent the shot in the air.
Oh,
I'm out of here.
No way. I was 4 before.